Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I know it's Monday, everybody's getting going, but I hope everybody's not too tired of these, but I just want to tell you guys thank you. This is our 300th video. I really cannot believe it. 300 videos, and you guys are still watching, so thank you so much. And I guess I just kind of wanted to highlight some of the videos that may not be too widely known about, but I know there's one here that I thought was very cool. It was a times table, how to build a times table with some formatting, the computer guessing game. That was one of them. This number diamond, I remember when I was learning, number diamond took me a while to figure out with for loops, and then the computer guessing game, where we write a program where the program is guessing ours, and so I just cannot believe that. Oh, and the Monty Hall, that I actually was how I did that one is I ran across one of my kids' math classes was talking about probability. And they asked if there was any way that I could help out, and I thought that was very cool. So we wrote a little program of how to simulate the Monty Hall over and over and over again. But I don't know. I get overwhelmed. The comments of appreciation. Oh yeah, and this board game, that was very cool. And the horse race to find the fastest horse out of 25 horses without using a stopwatch. I ran across that puzzle game not too long ago. And here's a perfect example. This deep dive into Help Endure. That was a request. Really good video on that. Powerball odds. I just can't believe it. Sometimes I'll get a comment and it's on a video that I'd completely forgotten that I had made, but you guys are watching them, and I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. So I know it's Monday, we're getting going, we're trying to get back in the groove, but I just can't tell you guys thank you enough for watching, for subscribing. I think it's 174 right now. It's very humbling. When I'd be watching other YouTubers and they talk about that, I was like, yeah, you have 100,000 subscribers. But every comment matters. Every comment counts. I think last month I had the most likes that I've had so far. So thank you so much. I just can't say thank you enough. It's an awesome feeling having so many people watch videos, give me feedback, tell me that it's helpful to them, because that's the whole reason for this channel, is to help you, because I remember how challenging it was to go and find pieces and put together and try to learn and stay focused. But I hope I'm helping you stay focused and motivated, because you guys are doing that for me. That's why I'm trying to continuously keeping a video coming out every single day. You guys keep me motivated, so thank you. So all right, that's that, about 4 minutes. So as always, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we got tons of awesome things coming. And thanks again, and stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.